To show Google Assistant driving mode notifications icon badges in Samsung Galaxy S21, S21 Plus or S21 Ultra, open settings, swipe the notification panel, and then tap settings icon. Scroll down settings screen, find Google, and then tap Google Services, and then scroll down screen, tap settings for Google Apps, tap search assistant and voice, and then select notifications, tap notifications, and then you must turn on Google notification first. If Google notification is off, tap show notification switch until blue to turn on, and then scroll down screen, find assistant driving mode, and then tap assistant driving mode, tap up icon badges switch until blue to show Google Assistant driving mode icon badges, or tap switch until black or white to hide Google Assistant driving mode icon badges. Okay, thank you for watching. Have a nice day.